Welcome to all of you. I am Prakash Reddy. Today you learn indigenous milk product, that means traditional dairy product in India. In this video discussion you learn classification of its products, principle of the production process and the minimum standards as per the Food Safety Standard Authority of India. Indigenous milk product, that means traditional dairy product in India, which are the native of the India and which were involved over the age utilizing local available fuel and the cooking ware. The main product in which khova, basundi, paneer, curd, chakka, srikhand, ghee, desi butter and lassi. These are the main indigenous dairy product. The classification of these traditional Indian dairy products, in which they are classified on the basis of the basic principle which is applied for the preparation of the product. First, that is the concentrated or evaporated milk product, in which milk containing moisture is reduced by the application of the heat during the cooking of that milk. Whatever the milk constituents which are present produce a specific characteristic smell, color, aroma and the final texture of the product, in which main product including first, that is the basundi, and also some region also called as a kheer, in which the if this basundi is added basmati rice is called as a kheer. Then second one is the khova, which is used for the most popular to use for the production of the number of the sweets. Then rabri, it is similar to the khova, slightly different to the manufacturing process. And the kulfi, the basic requirement in the basundi as per the Food Safety Standard Authority of India, in which the with the addition of sugar up to 5% into the milk during the concentration, and the final concentration, that is the milk reduced to half into the concentration, is called as a basundi. If the it's added with 2.5% basmati rice is called as kheer. Then khova, which is the next step of the basundi, in which the open pan, vacuum pan or the steam jacketed kettle by using the concentration to achieve the semi-solid consistency, in which the final product must require to contain 20% fat of the food as compared to the product. No addition of the any other ingredients like sugar and other color, flavor, etc. No addition. Then rabri, that is the full cream milk used to concentration without the stirring to formation of the thin film of the cream, which is separated and continuously concentration is done. Then last one is the kulfi, which is the similar to the basundi, which is used for the production of the frozen dessert, in which it is concentrated from milk 2:1 concentration and added the cream, sugar, nuts and the flavor ingredients. The second group, that is the heat and acid coagulated product. That means when the milk is heated and with the addition of the acid, it's containing protein which is the coagulated, and finally we get the coagulated protein which is separated, and this product is obtained is called as a first, that is the first one is the channa or the paneer, which is the produced by the addition of the boiled milk with lactic or the citric acid addition. Maybe use of the skim milk or maybe using of the whole milk or maybe combination as per the, but final product in which the if whole milk is used for the production of the paneer, it's containing fat percentage not less than 50% and the moisture containing is not more than 70%. And for the skim milk channa or the paneer is in which the fat content must require to not less than 13% and the moisture containing not more than 70%. These are the minimum requirement of the paneer. The second one is the similar name, that is the paneer, but which is the like a soft cheese which is produced from the fully creamed milk, which is the lactic acid fermentation, that means the curd, and after that addition of the rennet coagulation enzyme coagulation process, which is same as a cheese manufacturing process. First lactic acid fermentation, then enzymatic coagulation by addition of the rennet enzymes to produce the cheese, which is used for the preparation of the number of the product. third group, that is the fermented milk product, in which the basic principle is that the milk is fermented by addition of the lactic acid culture, in which the milk containing lactose, which is converted to the lactic acid during the acidity of that and the pH and acidity change, resulting whatever the internal food milk constituents, their properties are changed, and finally we get the product. The main product, first one is the dahi, chakka, srikhand, lassi. These are the major product, in which, as per the specific standards, dahi, which is prepared as per the all FSSAI specification for the dahi related to the milk which is used for the manufacturing process. That means if produce the skim milk dahi, then the specifications are related to the skim milk. The next one is the chakka, which is produced by the after the whatever the dahi, that dahi containing whey is removed by hanging the curds into the muslin cloth for overnight, and its containing whey is removed, and finally we get the chakka. The minimum requirement, in which the 60% moisture content requirement and 14% fat requirement. Then Srikhand, after the preparation of that chakka with the addition of the sugar, nuts and the other ingredients as per our requirement, addition of the fruit juices, pulp, etc. to produce the Srikhand, Amrikand, fruit curds, etc. The minimum requirement as per the Food Safety Standard Authority of India, sugar added not more than 45%. Next one is the lassi, which is product prepared by the after the curd. That curd is used for the main material, in which addition of the sugar and the flavor as per our consistency requirement added with the other additives and the water, in which minimum requirement, that means 15% addition of the sugar or maybe added with the fruit juices, and whatever the other coloring and flavoring substance which are added must be required to properly declare in the lassi. Next, fourth group, that is the fat rich product. That means milk containing milk cream is separated, and after that milk cream is used for the preparation of the product, or maybe a traditional fermentation process, and after that curd containing whatever the cream, this cream are separated by the churning process, in which first, that is the makhan, or called as a desi butter, which is prepared by the traditional fermentation process, in which curd is prepared, and after that curd addition of the water and high speed churning, resulting emulsion will break and we get the butter. As per the specifications, it must required to contain not less than 76% milk fat and may be added with the salt, color and the flavoring substance. Then next, after the preparation of this desi butter, this desi butter is in its containing moisture is reduced by the continuously boiling, and we get the ghee, which is the clarification of the buttermilk with the whole cow or buffalo or the mixed milk. The minimum requirement as per the specifications, in which containing fat not less than 99 to 99.5%, and the moisture containing is not more than 0.5%. These are the references used for the preparation of this PowerPoint presentation. In this video discussion, you will learn what are the different types of the Indian traditional dairy products, their classification, principle, and the minimum requirement of the specifications or the standards. Thank you very much. In the next lecture, you will learn all this product manufacturing process in detail with the equipment's requirement, then processing conditions. Thank you very much.